Hey there, it's Brittany. It's one of my favorite days of the month. The December Bargain Bead Box just showed up. It's called Earth and Elegance. This month's palette blends the understated richness of red jasper, one of my favorites, with copper and peach accents for a timeless look that wears easily through the holidays and into the new year. Red jasper gemstones include a donut, pendant, bold barrels, and round beads in 2 sizes. You'll also find a strand of microfaceted garnet beads, antique copper findings, and sparkling crystals in complementary colors. They also offer a 30% off discount to Bargain Bead Box subscribers. And if you're interested in subscribing, use coupon Turquoise for $2 off of your first box at the affiliate link in the description. Okay, number 1. Oh goodness, 13-inch strand 4mm crystal bicone beads in copper metallic. Number 2, 1 meter of 2.5mm steel Rolo chain, lead and nickel free. That's pretty nice. It's matte. I like that. Number 3, 15-inch strand 6x4mm crystal rondelle beads, matte magma. This is a color that we seem to get quite a bit. I like them though. I like that they're matte. Number 4, leverback ear wires. They're not my favorite. They're a little hard to do up. I know a lot of people love them though. Number 5, 10-piece 8mm crystal faceted cylinder beads, light peach AB. Did we get these already this year though? Like, these are really pretty, but I feel like we got them already. Sorry, I have polymer clay on my hands. I feel like we got these already. They're gorgeous. Maybe we got them in a different color. I can't remember. Number 6, 6 pieces, 19x16mm pattern coin charms, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are cool. Although I feel like I've seen these too, or maybe something very similar. They're nice. I just feel like I'm getting deja vu with this entire box. Like, I know we've gotten these before. 4 pieces, 25x22mm pattern coin and teardrop chandeliers, lead, nickel, cadmium free. We've for sure gotten these. I don't know if it was this year, but I have them somewhere. Number 7, 36x26mm teardrop chandelier, focal, lead, nickel, cadmium free. I think it's weird that we just got one, but I guess they want us to use it as a pendant. Number 9, 3 sets, 18x13mm classic banded toggle clasps. Number 10, 40 pieces, 6mm scalloped bead caps, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Those are cute. You can kind of use those as flowers too. Number 11, 30mm red jasper donut pendant. We just got a donut last month. I'm not mad at having red jasper. I just feel like we've gotten everything in this box before. I don't know, like it's not taking away from the quality, because I think these are quality products, but I'm just confused. I'm very confused because I feel like everything that I'm opening we've gotten before. And I know several of you told me in the last video you're sick of getting red this year, which is something that you'd think I would say, but I've actually liked a lot of the red boxes this year, but this is another red box. So number 13, 6 pieces, approximately 6x12mm red jasper barrel beads. I like that shape. I don't think I have that shape, and I love red jasper. Number 14, approximately 15-inch strand of 2mm microfaceted garnet beads. These are teeny tiny. They're pretty though. I'm pretty sure we got those this year too. Number 15, 7.5-inch strand of 10mm jasper round beads. These are nice, but I like red jasper. It's like one of my favorites. Number 6, I missed number 12, which was a 10-gram bag of 5x4mm corrugated spacer beads, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Those are really nice. I like those. And then last but not least, number 16 is approximately 15-inch strand, 8mm red jasper rounds. And they're nice. A lot of red jasper This is called Earth and Elegance. It should have been called Red Jasper. I like it because I like red jasper. I know several of you are going to love it. Some of you maybe not so much. Let me know what you think. My favorite part were these jasper beads. I really like these even though I already have them. And I guess the 8mm, they're all nice though. Yeah, let me know what you think. Did you have deja vu? And I hope you're having a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.